Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram this group can be displayed. So if any case when you open your Telegram app and a group or a image or any video and you get a error message, a text message that says this group can be displayed or this content can't be displayed. This is because maybe your Telegram account is filtering sensitive content. So to disable that, we want to open our Telegram app on browser because there is no setting in the app that can disable this. So first we need to open our browser and you want to go to web.telegram.org. Then you want to log into your account and you will go to a page that looks like this. So from here you just want to tap on three lines in the top left corner of the screen. Here you want to go to your privacy and security settings. Now you want to scroll at the very bottom. Here you can see there is this sensitive content section here which says disable filtering. So you want to check this. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.